everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Desana Bernolina. I'm from class management 23D NPM 2341112C. Here I would like to present the material sample from the research methodology course. The first material, what is a sample? A sample is small portion of a population taken to represent the whole. Samples are used in research because studying the entire population is often not possible due to time, cost, and manpower constraints. In order for research results to be generalized, the sample taken must be representative, meaning it truly reflects the characteristics of the population as a whole. With the right sample, research can still get accurate results even if they do not study all members of the population. Purpose of sampling. Sampling is done to increase efficiency in the research process by only taking a portion of the population. Research can save time and money. In addition, a smaller number of respondents also help reduce the risk of vantage, both from the respondent and research side, so that the data collection process can run more smoothly. In addition to efficiency, the use of sample also simplifies the data analysis process. Less data allows research to conduct more in-depth and accurate analysis. If the sampling technique is carried out correctly, the result obtained can still represent the condition of the population as a whole, thereby increasing the accuracy and validity of the research. Types of probability sampling and non-probability sampling. Probability sampling or random is a sampling technique in which each member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. This method is considered more objective because this is random. An example is simple random sampling, where each individual is selected randomly without considering special characteristics. Stratified random sampling divides the population into groups or strata based on certain characteristics. Then a random sample is taken from each stratum. Culture sampling divides the population into natural groups or, for example, by location. Then several groups are randomly selected for analysis. Systematic sampling is done by selecting every element of the population list after randomly determining the starting point. Non-probability sampling is a sampling technique in which not all members of the population have any equal chance of being selected. Usually used in exploratory research or when data is difficult to obtain. Purposive sampling selected respondents based on certain objectives or criteria that are relevant to the research. Convenience sampling takes samples from individuals who are easily accessible to research. Snowball sampling is used to reach a population that is difficult to find, where initial respondents recommend the other respondent. While quota sampling divides the population into groups, then take a sample from each group up to a certain amount without a random process. Probability sampling is a sampling method in which each member of the population has an unequal chance of being selected, resulting in a more representative sample. In a sample random sampling, all members of the population have an equal chance of being sampled without exception. Stratified sampling is done by dividing the population into strata of groups based on certain characteristics, then taking random sample from each stratum. Cluster sampling divides the population into natural groups. Then several groups are randomly selected to be sampled. Meanwhile, systematic sampling is done by selecting sample members based on certain intervals from a list of populations that have been sorted. Non-probability sampling and the less material is a sampling technique where not all members of the population have an equal chance of being selected. Purposive sampling selects respondents based on certain criteria that are considered relevant. Convenience sampling is chosen because it is easy to reach or find. Snowball sampling involves early respondents to recommended subsection respondent, while quota sampling is similar to stratified but the selected is not done randomly. Okay, that's all my presentation. I hope you can get useful knowledge from this presentation and thank you.